guys, happy Sunday. So I kind of feel like I live somewhat of a blessed life here at the Seton Hvac household. You know, I'm not a big baller like Teddy KGB. You know the movie. If you don't know the movie, you need to check it out. Do you know the movie? Please tell me that you do. One of the greatest underrated movies of all time, featuring the great John Malkovich and Matt Damon. And if you've seen what's that claymation one, Matt Damon. But anyway, I am kind of a movie buff. I'm a TV show buff, music buff, or maybe just buff in general. But not really. I'm kind of a shell of what I used to be. I got the hyper heat blowing on me there. You know, life is good. I'm a very blessed individual. I'm able to do probably the greatest, not probably, is the greatest trade of all time. It's not even close. I feel bad for electricians. I feel bad for plumbers. I feel bad for anybody that hasn't really experienced HVAC, because honestly, they don't really get it. They don't get it. They don't get it the way we do. This is a brotherhood that is amazing. And I don't know, we're just kind of a rare breed. When HVAC guys, we're a very, 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 very rare breed. We're weird. We have a lot of weird idiosyncrasy. If I can say the word, idiosyncrasies. We got all kinds of weird things that we do. We're just cut from a different cloth than every other trade, I think. Not to say the other trades aren't great, because I think everybody should get into a trade. If you know, being a doctor or a lawyer or some IT nerd is not for you, get yourself into a trade. You're not going to put yourself into debt, and you're going to make yourself a good living for you and your family, and you're going to be able to give back. So part of the giving back part is I got my next charity job coming up. So work's kind of thin right now. We're kind of rolling out of summer. Even though we're going to have our hottest temperatures here, well, today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, we're kind of rolling out of summer. You know, people are starting to think about, you know, should I still purchase AC this year, because it's starting to roll into fall in a month or whatever it may be. We can be warm here through October, but I got my next charity job coming up, so I'm gonna go do. We're gonna start that. Not next week, because I got the next 10 days off, next 9 days off. We're going to head to the beach for 3.5 of them, Tuesday through Friday. Head home on Friday. So next week's pretty much off. Tomorrow, if I get any service calls that come in, I'll go take care of those. But for the most part, I'm off for a while. So I'm going to enjoy my few beverages I have here. I'm not drinking tomorrow, just in case any calls come in. But you know, life is fun. I'm blessed with a great family. You know, I got my wife, my daughter. I have 2 daughters. One that lives up in Washington. She's 23. She'll be 24 in December. I got 2 dogs. One of them is good, one of them is bad. I got 3 cats. We don't have a goldfish yet, but I'm sure that's coming. You know, I'm just an aging guy. I'll be 48 in October, a couple months, less than 2 months now. I'll be 48. But I think I'm doing pretty good, taking good care of myself, taking care of my family, taking care of my friends. You know, trying to help out when I can, give back when I can, and live the best life. And that's what we should all be doing. So I know I've said it a billion times, but God bless everybody, and happy Sunday. I hope everything that you're doing is good for you, good for your friends, good for your family, and you're taking care of yourself, taking care of each other. And I'll see you on the next video. Let me show you around the house a little bit. Alright guys, just farting around the house today. I gotta do some landscaping on this place for sure. But, what the hell did the dog do to this? There we go. My dog likes to push on the fence, so she kind of messed it up. So, I'm not doing some maintenance on my hyperheat. I don't run it that often, but it's so dusty around here. I mean, the coil looks okay. It looks okay on the surface, but with those blue coils like this that are on these, it's hard to tell if they're caked or not. And I want to be able to use this thing a lot for heat in my garage this coming winter. So I'll probably do some maintenance on him. Make sure the fan blade's clean. Just make sure that this thing's going to last. Check everything out on it. And you know, typical HVAC guy, so you know, my yard's suffering. I mean, look at this overgrowth. I need to probably kill off all these weeds. Tomorrow I'm going to get on my riding lawnmower and probably clean all this stuff up. But I mean, you know, the dog pool is perpetually dirty. This is my daughter's pool here. That's it's always dirty. It's right below the deck. Gets all the drippings. Gets whatever. You know, I'm trying to turn this into a nice outdoor space. I got to build the dogs a heated area for this winter, but just general stuff. Oh, there's a sprinkler, got me. But you know, it's a constant battle trying to keep everything looking nice around here. You know, kids, pets, everybody gets things dirty. Everybody makes a mess. I do too. It's my daughter's bed I put together today, the box for it. But, you know, I live in a beautiful area. If you haven't seen my view I have here. I mean, can't beat that, huh? I wish they were snow-capped, but it is August. As we keep moving around the property here, so yeah, there's my Husqvarna Z254. Z254 riding lawnmower, zero-turn lawnmower that I used to do my lawn, which I'm going to get on tomorrow because things are getting a little overgrown. I got my Weber here. I'm a charcoal guy. I don't like propane. I don't like propane barbecues. They suck. Bunch of my rubber pellets from when we did the play set left over, and then my pride and joy, my Bosch M20 20 seer. Oh man, she's working like a champ as usual. Sorry about the beer can there. Got the surge protector on. I got to do some cleanup around here. You know, stuff just kind of gets messy around here. You get busy working in HVAC, you don't take care of your own stuff. When I replaced my wife's battery, all kinds of crap. This shit's all overgrown. You know, living the HVAC dream. As we keep moving around, there's the old Seaton HVAC truck. I gotta clean him inside and out. I mean, look, I got stuff piled up everywhere. There's all my trash from this week. I was too lazy to drive up the hill this week, so I just threw it all right here. No big deal. Otherwise, it's semi-organized. My daughter and I were doing some of the golf putting last night. But, yeah. It's not as bad. It's not that bad. I just got a lot of stuff. I'm an HVAC guy. What do you want from me? Doing some maintenance on my stuff. I think it's probably time to change that filter. I might wait a couple more weeks. I think we're okay. But lots of fun around here. Yeah, my wife got me this dartboard, oh, I don't know, 3 Christmases ago maybe? Look at that thing. That thing's badass, man. It even heckles you. Look at that. The heckler. It'll heckle you. That thing's fucking awesome. I love this thing. I play all the time. If you ever want to come over to the Seaton household and play me darts, I'll play you and I'll bet you money. $100 a game. Let's go. I'm an old school dart player. Spent lots of times in bars. Was on dart leagues. I'm pretty good. So let's go. I'm like one of those drunken guys on the British show, on the British darts on ESPN. Yep, I got my ass man. That's my Kramer, my Cosmo Kramer from Seinfeld. FJB. Let's go Brandon signs. I got my desecrated American flag, which is what the certain side of the aisle likes to do. Yeah, I got all kinds of cool stuff around here. This is a little tour, and I've probably showed you guys this before. Look at that. We got Alien and Predator playing chess. Isn't that awesome? I got all my beer signs out here. Yep, HVAC will get you where you need to be. Check up on this ladder and check my filter real quick. What the hell? Let's go. Let's go. I don't have anywhere else to be. Just home taking care of my family. I got my my daughter's bed put together today. Oh, here we go. Oh, it looks a dusty, maybe. Let's see what she looked like. You know what? It's dirty, but she ain't dirty enough to change. Let's wait a couple more weeks, like I said. Oh, get back in there. You're fine for now. Hey, I'm not the hold on. I'm not the auto mechanic that has the broken down car. There we go. I take care of my stuff. I still need to finish insulating this. I need to insulate this, but you know, it's been like this now for about 2.5 years. But yeah, looking good around the parts. These parts. Anybody want to buy some HVAC stuff? I got lots of stuff for you. God, I was just walking out of my garage. I'm finishing up this video here. 93 freaking degrees in here. I just turned him on. He's blowing, so let's see. Let's give it about 15 minutes. Let's see in my uninsulated, unfinished garage with a gable end there over here that's wide open. You can't see it from here. You can't see it, but it's totally unfinished. Let's see what the old hyper heat. I gotta put batteries in him. But let's see what the old hyper heat can do. Alright, been about 10 minutes. It's already dropped at 2 degrees per this thermostat, which is on the exterior wall of my garage here. Pretty impressive. And if you guys knew how hot it was outside right now, it feels like the surface of the goddamn sun. That's pretty impressive. I think it is. Alright, last video of the day. Hope everybody's enjoying the rest of their weekend. Like I said, I'm off all next week for the most part. And enjoy your life. That's all I'm going to say.